Context engineering. What is context engineering? Context engineering is a method of creating systems that determine what information an AI model sees before generating a response. Even though the name is new, the principles behind context engineering have been around for a while. This new abstraction enables us to reason about the most important and ever-present issue, creating the information flow that enters and exits AI systems. Instead of writing perfect prompts for individual requests, you build systems that collect relevant information from numerous sources and organize it in the model's context window. This means your system collects chat history, user data, external documents, and available tools, then formats them so the model can use them. Examples of context engineering. Enterprise Knowledge Federation. Enterprises frequently struggle with knowledge fragmented across numerous silos, including Confluence, Jira, SharePoint, Slack, CRMs, and multiple databases. Context engineering provides the architecture for integrating these different sources. To answer a difficult query, a business AI assistant can use a multi-agent RAG system to query a Confluence page, extract a ticket status from Jira, and retrieve customer data from a CRM, all while providing a single, unified, and trustworthy response. Developer platforms. The next generation of coding assistants is progressing beyond simple autocomplete. Systems are being developed that have complete context of an entire code base, integrating with Language Service Protocols (LSP) to understand type errors, analyzing production logs to find issues, and reading recent changes to maintain coding style. These agenting systems, which have a deep, real-time understanding of the development environment, are able to write code, make pull requests, and even debug issues on their own. Hyper-personalization. In industries such as e-commerce, healthcare, and finance, deep context enables unprecedented levels of personalization. A financial advisor board can deliver individualized recommendations based on a user's full portfolio, risk tolerance, and real-time market data. A healthcare assistant can provide more accurate guidance by taking into account a patient's complete medical history, latest lab results, and even data from wearable devices. Let's learn about the pillars of context engineering. Comprehensive context injection. The model should receive instructions, user input, retrieve document, tool output, or API result, prior conversation turns, memory embeddings. Memory systems. Build both short-term memory, that is conversation buffers, long-term memory, that is vector stores, session logs. Memory recall. Memory recall promotes continuity and learning across sessions, tasks, and users. Integration of knowledge sources. Context engineering connects LLMs to external databases, APIs, and tools, often via RAG pipelines. Quality and relevance. Only the most relevant and high-quality context should be used. Irrelevant or noisy data causes confusion and reduces performance. Context sharing. To maintain task continuity and semantic alignment in multi-agent systems, context must be shared between agents. This requires structured message formats, memory synchronization, and agent protocols such as the A2A protocol. Security and consistency. Apply principles like prompt injection detection and mitigation, context sanitization, role-based context access control, logging, and auditability for compliance. Dynamic context assembly. Context is created dynamically as conversations or tasks progress. This includes retrieving relevant documents, retaining memory, and updating the user state. Let's learn about the best practices for context engineering. Start with RAG. Use RAG for external knowledge, fine-tune only when necessary. Structure prompts clearly. Separate instructions, context, and queries for clarity. Leverage and context learning. Provide high-quality examples in the prompt. Iterate relentlessly. Experiment with chunking, retrieval, and prompt formats. Monitor and benchmark. Use hybrid source cards to monitor AI quality and engineering velocity. Treat context as a product. Version control, quality checks, and continuous improvement. I hope this video will help you in understanding context engineering. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.